In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the media control in the Windows taskbar icon in Microsoft Edge. This is a quick and useful setting if you don't want playback controls showing up in your taskbar while you browse, stream, or listen to media. It only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you'll find all of the browser's settings and tools. From here, click on Settings. When the Settings page opens, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. What you want to do now is click Appearance. This section controls a lot of the visual and interface-related options inside Edge, so it's the right place to look for taskbar and media behavior settings. After you click Appearance, scroll through the available options until you find Browser Behavior and Features. This section contains settings that affect how Edge works in the background and how it interacts with Windows features. Click Browser Behavior and Features to open that menu. Now look for the option that says Show Media Control in the Windows taskbar icon. By default, this setting may be turned on, which means Edge can show media controls directly in the taskbar icon whenever audio or video is playing. If you want to hide that, simply toggle this option off. Once you switch it off, the change should take effect right away. You can now close the settings page and continue using Edge normally. The media control will no longer appear in the Windows taskbar icon, giving you a cleaner and less distracting taskbar experience. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the media control in the Windows taskbar icon in Edge. It's a small change, but it can make your browser feel much cleaner and more streamlined, especially if you prefer a simpler Windows taskbar. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.